Hey everyone, this will be the start of our first kind of back road drive at night when everything is nice and dark out, to kind of compare the old headlight to the new ones. And to be honest, I've never done this type of comparison video before with lights, so I don't know how it'll turn out, but we're about to find out. So right now we're at the edge of a little town. I'll cut them over to brights here. I was actually hoping that this drive would be on dry pavement, but apparently it's been raining here a little bit, so that's automatically going to darken things up a bit. But hopefully there'll still be some difference. And for the comparison, I'll cut back and forth through the exact same spots in the road from the old headlights to the new ones, and you can see the difference. I will say, so far I am absolutely loving the Hella housings with the LED bulbs in them, much better than what I had before. Even my daughter noticed when we were driving, instead of having a couple of dots out on the road in front of us, they kind of get brighter from the dots. The lights actually spread a bit wider. And this might actually even look, there's a car coming, so I'll go ahead and put them on dim here. Having to drive through back roads like this with no street lights, even on dim, it brings a lot more light to the sides of the road with no other additional lights. Right now, these are the only lights that are on my Jeep. I do have these top mount ones. I can kick them on here briefly. I don't know if you can tell they make much difference or not. They're on now. Now they're off. There's the first person bright lighting me, which makes me think that one headlamp that's loose may have taken a bump and readjusted itself. Now we got kind of a long straight stretch, so go ahead and hit the brights again. If you can see off in the distance, the reflection off of the upcoming street signs is pretty outstanding. And I know when I had my JL, it was pretty routine with it. And this is from the factory, to get people flashing their brights at me pretty routinely. Seems like the smaller and lower to the ground the car, the more frequent it was. But that was the first car since I've had these in here back there that had flashed with them. Back to kind of a long straight stretch. We'll go ahead and put the brights back on. Oh, now we're hitting rain. We are just getting into the next little outskirt of town here. So we'll start seeing more lights kind of in the distance. And that'll be the end of it for our comparison video.